Kat again here from Kayenta, Arizona. So we are on our last leg of the trip. Gonna go to the Monument Valley today, and then gonna swing by Goblin State and hop on back to Salt Lake City Airport and back to work tomorrow. So right behind me is the snow-covered mountain. It's in the 30s, pretty cold actually. But yeah, here's the town. So Kayenta is about 30 minutes from the Monument Valley, and I can't wait to explore. See you in a little bit. Hey guys, this is the Code Talkers exhibition here. So what they do during the World War II with the Japanese, they're the code breaker because they were using the native Navajo language. That's really cool. Thank you for your service. Okay. Okay guys, we are almost here in the entrance of the Monument Valley, and Remy's flying his drone. The best view in town. Rem, make sure we record it. Adios. Alright guys, here we are near the entrance of Monument Valley. We're coming from the Arizona side, and we stayed in Kayenta. Look at this majestic, breathtaking rock formation, just beyond amazing. So right before we do the scenic drive, we stop by the visitor center and go, there's a lookout that you can do all your photos from, so it'll be really cool. Hey guys, welcome to Monument Valley here. So right behind me is the visitor center, and then you pay your entrance fee of $20. You can't use your state park passes or the NPS park pass, but because it's a Navajo-owned tribal land, so just check this out, guys. That's amazing. Got the view, and that's the famous Monument Valley Vault. It's definitely worth a visit. So we're gonna do a loop, a scenic drive around the park for 15 miles. So it'll take about, it stops like about 45 minutes. Alrighty. Hey guys, right now we are in the Devil River here in Utah. We are on our way to Goblin Valley. I think, yeah, it's Goblin Valley State Park. So we drove from Monument Valley and it took about 3 hours in this like treacherous driving condition when you pass through the Valley of the Gods on Route 261. That was definitely a test for my anxiety and for my fear of height. But yeah, check out those rock formation behind it. It looks like you're in Mars or something. And again, Remy had a great time today flying out his drones. But yeah, I guess I believe we are in High, Utah. So this is part of the Glen Canyon. Okay, it's National Park Service. Alrighty.
Alright guys, Valley of the Gods. Oh my goodness. Wow, look at that. We are literally on the top of the world now. We were just down there. You see all this road right here? Oh my god. Come out. Come here. It's beautiful.
Okay, guys. So we are in the Goblin Valley State Park here in Green River, Utah. So just topping off 5 parks in 3 days. It's been exhausting, but it's been one of my favorite trips ever and a lot of scenic drive. Totally worth it. So if you ever have like a long weekend to spare, you gotta check out Utah and Arizona. It's really cool. So yeah, behind me, that's the Goblin Valley. They all look like goblins. They probably turn alive at nighttime. Just kidding. But anyway, so we did Dead Horse Point State Park, and then Canyonland, and then Arches National Park, and Monument Valley today, and now
You open the door?
top it off. And someone need to get the door open. Sorry, my bad. So cute, bunch of goblins. Kind of look the alien from Toy Story, or also like a bunch of minions. So cute. You can see the moon up there. It's the new moon today, guys. Today's December 1st, 2019. Whew. many cool things that we saw in just 3 days. Lots of driving, a lot of scenic driving. Always watch out for your gas, watch your tires and all that. But it's been a wonderful journey. Until next time, guys. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe. See ya.